Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is perfect if you have gutters around your house, and a leaf blower by Ego Plus. So this is the Sealegend 8-piece gutter cleaning set. This is the box it comes in once you order it. Once you open it up, you're going to get a little kind of quick instruction sheet on here, but it's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over the features. And then you're going to get all the parts and pieces. So first off, you're going to have this little guy right here. So this is what you are going to plug into your Ego Plus leaf blower. So it just snaps on in super easy to utilize, and then it's just going to funnel that air down this tube. Then you're going to get this little extension piece right here. You're going to line up the side that doesn't have kind of the little curly lines here. You're going to go ahead and use the opposite side. You're going to go ahead and make sure you line up with the button. Simply press in, and then once it's all the way down, you can rotate it, and now it is nice in position. So that's one of the cool things about this. You put it in, and it's locked, so you don't have to worry about it like blowing off or falling apart on you when you are utilizing it, which is a nice little feature. Then it's going to include, you're going to have 3 more extension pieces. And these just simply go ahead and screw on. So you can make it as long as you need. So depending on how tall your roof line is, you're going to have a setup, because when you assemble all this together, it gets you about 8.3 feet in length. So it gets really tall, which means you don't have to climb up on a ladder or anything like that anymore to clean out all those leaves and debris out of your gutter, which is a great way, because you can just walk along the ground and just blow all that junk right out super easy. So you basically get the 3 little extensions, very easy to take on and off, and then of course store away in storage. And then finally, you're going to get the little nozzle piece here at the end. So this is just going to, once again, screw into position, so that way it's all nice and secure. And what's cool about this is it is very flexible. So it can rotate 360 degrees. So that way you can get it in the perfect position as you're walking along. So that way it's really just blowing all the junk off down to the end. You can just adjust it to make sure it is all set up really perfect, and rotate it around. It has like a little click, so you know how far it goes. So basically it is fully set up for you. As long as you hook it all up to your blower, it's going to make cleaning the gutters super easy. Totally recommend checking this guy out if you're looking to make cleaning out your gutters a cinch. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.